Good evening. So this is the first video shoot of our Swabhavik. We have never beaten the drum. We've been in this since 2004 now. We have done, I assume we have done quite a bit, and we shall continue to do so. And India as a country, we can only do better only if we all work together in one direction. I am nobody. We are nobody. The associated members of Swabhavik, they are just about nobody. Our population is 140 crore. 140 crores. And we think that the people who are educated and income tax pay, we think that we are the ones who are the rulers. And in fact, when I go to the village, I know people address me as Angrez. Angrez kyun? Because we sit on a chair and those guys, they sit on the floor whenever we are talking. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Which road are we taking? I think we need to revamp whatever we have done. We need to start from the scratch. We have to go back to the root. Root is what? Root is the village. Till the time our village is not strong, our nation cannot be strong. It is a fact of life. When we got independence, only 2.5% of the population, they were in the cities or the metros. 97.5% of the population was in villages. आज क्या हो गया? 67.5% of the population is left in the villages. UP, you go to a village, you will not find a young person. You come to Punjab, you come to Haryana, you come to Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, village के village खाली हो गए. You see only retired people who are living there, or few of those who have, who are jobless, who would not get any employment in the city, they are living in the villages. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? हम क्या कर रहे हैं in the cities who are income tax pays? We have created an ecosystem in which all these corporates are working. We are letting those corporates make money and make fool of us. We are getting attracted towards beauty. And we have been conditioned in that manner only. When I was young, I was told beauty is everything. You need to live in a surrounded environment which is neat, clean, healthy. That is how we have been grown up, all of us. I don't think so that you are going to disagree with me. We have all grown up in this manner only, that we appreciate beauty, we get attracted towards beauty, and we want to do beautiful things. But that is only about us. What about those people who are living in slums? I would like all of you to go and have a look at the slum area. The kids, they are not able to study because कहते हैं नाले से इतनी बदबू आती है. They cover their mouth, face, head, everything because they have to sleep. Commercialized world has ruined the world. We have to go back to the roots. कॉर्पोरेट ने फ्रिज खत्म करवा दिया है, कॉर्पोरेट ने मटके खत्म करवा दिए हैं, दातन खत्म करवा दिए, छोटी टक शॉप्स खत्म करवा दी विलेज के अंदर, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग खत्म हो गई. पहले हाथ से सेमिया बनाते थे. एवरीथिंग इज वैनिश्ड. इट इज नॉट सीन एंड दे आर जॉबलेस. Those poor people living in villages, they don't have any avenues. What we are doing exactly what is required at the village level. हम विलेज के अंदर ही जा रहे हैं, विलेज के अंदर वॉलीबॉल गेम्स करवा रहे हैं, विलेज के अंदर वी आर गिविंग cloth where the cloth would be made as a tracksuit and the same would be given to the students or the young kids who are of the village in the village itself, and volleyball competition होंगे. Why we should wear fancy shirts? These shirts can be stitched in the village itself. वो भी training देंगे हम उनको. We have not given that training, but we are going to give the training to the village women to stitch the shirts. Let us wear this shirts which are stitched by the village woman. हम क्यों corporate के लिए काम करें? What are corporate going to give us? Nothing. Because we get a fancy. We go to a big mall and buy a shop from a branded shop we'll buy a shirt or a trouser or a shoes? Why? What does the corporate give us? Because we are attracted towards the mall. मॉल के अंदर आता है, एम्बियंस अच्छा है, साफ सुथरी चीज़ है, यू नो. आई अपील टू एवरीबडी, whenever they have to buy grocery, they should go to the village and buy a grocery. Or if they cannot go to the grocery, they can go to a normal village shop. Every city has slum area. Go to those tuck shop and buy those things. वो AC नहीं लगा रहा. In the village you will not find a AC, or in the slum area where the shops are there. So in Mohali we have a Khokha market, we call it. You get everything. They don't have AC. The climate is preserved. यहाँ पे malls के अंदर AC लगा रहे हैं, बसों के अंदर AC लगा रहे हैं. Everywhere we have air condition. For what? अगर just imagine अगर वो AC लगा देंगे तो what would happen to the climate in India? We are touching 50 degree in Haryana. It is the same temperature as that of Dubai. अगर ये बढ़ता रहा तो एक्चुअली में आई हैव अ फ्रेज, दैट फ्रेज इज फूल्स पैराडाइज. वी आर लिविंग इन अ फूल्स पैराडाइज एंड वी आर ऑल फूल्स एंड लिविंग इन अ फूल्स पैराडाइज एंड जस्ट टेकिंग एवरीबडी फॉर अ राइड. वन अपमैनशिप. यार मैं तो ये चीज़ हूँ, तू क्या चीज़ है यार, मेरे पास iPhone 10 है, 15 है. वी आर जस्ट शोकेसिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. दैट इज ऑल. Let us go to the roots. Let us go to the village. Let us revamp the villages. And we'll continue to discuss, we'll continue to have a conversation. We'll have more people with us the next time. Thank you.